Hi friends, today we are going to make simple and fresh salads in just 5 minutes. Perfect for a quick snack or easy dinner. The first recipe is a cucumber and tomato salad. Simply slice 1 cucumber and 2 tomatoes, add a pinch of salt, a little olive oil, and dress with lemon juice. Stir it up and you're ready to go. The next option is an arugula and avocado salad. In a large bowl, mix 2 cups of arugula, sliced avocado, and a few nuts of your choice. Add olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Easy and very tasty. And lastly, a fresh tuna salad. In a bowl, combine canned tuna, finely chopped celery, and a little mayonnaise. Stir and serve on a lettuce leaf. All of these recipes require minimal ingredients and time. Cook with pleasure and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new ideas.